Hi, I'm Leann Forst with leannforst.com, and today I'm going to share with you in this video my natural solutions for bruising. So bruising happens as a result of an impact that causes the blood vessels below the skin to rupture. It could also be the result of nutrient deficiencies or something like insufficient blood clotting or even something as serious as leukemia. But for today's sake, I'm going to talk about the bruising that happens with impact. Okay, so some of my natural solutions start with supplements, and the first one would be to take 500 milligrams of bromelain. Bromelain is actually an enzyme from pineapples that helps to reduce swelling. And then another suggestion for a supplement would be 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant which helps to heal the damaged blood vessels. And then, as always, I always have some essential oil recommendations for you. Essential oils are great natural solutions for a lot of different health conditions, and bruising is one of them. So I have 5 oils that are my go-to for bruising. The first one is going to be geranium. Geranium is going to help to increase blood flow and blood circulation below the surface of the skin. Okay, so that would be the first one. And then helichrysum is actually going to soothe the skin and reduce the pain and address the dark spots that come with bruising. And then frankincense and cypress both contain compounds that reduce the appearance of the bruise. And then lastly, you have lavender. Now, lavender is really the headliner here because lavender actually helps the cells repair themselves so that they can support the tissue health. So geranium, helichrysum, frankincense, cypress, and lavender. So my simple solution is to take 8 drops of helichrysum, and then you're going to take 8 drops of geranium, 5 drops of lavender, and then 5 drops of either frankincense or cypress. And you're going to put them in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, and then you're going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to apply to the area of concern, to the bruise, throughout the day. So those are my simple solutions for bruising. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this information, please feel free to share. And by the way, I have a free ebook below, so just click on the link to get it. And thank you for listening.